This Virginia Country Real Estate Incorporated property video is presented by Frank Wingfield. Complete restoration. New siding, windows, and doors. Eat-in kitchen dining combo cabinets refinished, new countertop. New LG stainless steel appliances, electric stove microwave features convection oven and air fryer. New engineered hardwood and tile flooring and fresh paint throughout, new doors, new light fixtures, ceiling fans, and electrical wiring devices. Mudroom opens to rear deck. In-home office. Primary bedroom bath with new vanity, plumbing fixtures, and walk-in closet. New hot water heater and heat pump with air filtration system. Attic with new pull-down stairs. Holly Beach Civic Association is $50 a year and voluntary. Beach and boat access to PIANKANTANK River. For more information